Hello, welcome. Today I have another ink sample review video for you. This is by Organic Studio and it is called Henry David Thoreau. I think that's how you pronounce that. So I got this at Goulet Pens, and if I can find it again, I will leave a link below for you. So we're going to do a swatch of this and see how it looks. Okay, so this looks like it might be like a teal or a turquoise green, or maybe like a blue green. Very pretty so far. Okay, there we go. Do some ribbons along the side here. Whoops. Okay, I want to put a little bit more down here. All right, let me rinse this out. Okay. I'll write the name on here as well. And this was Organic Studio. Okay, and I'm going to set this under a fan to dry. I'll be right back. Alright, so I'm going to try this on some copy paper as well. And if there are any colors that you would like to see me review, just leave a comment down below. If I have the ink or if I can get it, then we'll make a video. Alright, I always like to test things on copy paper because sometimes that's all you have available. Let me write this name so I don't mess myself up here. There we go. Okay. Alright, so far on the copy paper, it actually seems to be behaving really well. It looks like a really rich, like turquoisey color. Very pretty. I'm going to set that aside. And we'll try this on the HP 32. Oops. There we go. And HP 32 paper is just copy paper, but it's got a nice smooth coating on it, so sometimes you get to see some of the different effects of the ink. Whoops. Well, I messed that up completely. There we go. And this is HP 32 paper. There we go. And we'll just draw some lines here. All right, let's see. Okay, well, so far this is definitely doing something. Not sure. All right, let's set that aside. And we'll try this on some Thoreau River paper and see how it behaves for that. All right. Whoops. There we go. All right. Let's see. This was Thoreau River. And we'll draw some more lines real quick. There we go. Yeah, this ink is definitely doing something. I can see it changing color as it dries. Interesting. Okay, so maybe there's a sheen or something in there that's causing it to change. I guess we'll know in a minute here. What I'm going to do is I'm going to check the swatch that we made and see if it's dry. I'll be right back. Okay, and I'm back. So this has a really interesting effect. So let me show you the copy paper. So like I said before, it's a really, really pretty, I don't know, like a teal or a turquoise type of color, like a blue-green. Very, very pretty. You can see, even on the copy paper, that you can still see some shading on here. Very, very pretty. It's not totally flat like it would normally be on copy paper, so this is a really good ink for just plain copy paper, probably. That is my guess, just by how this swatch looks. But then when you look at the HP32, it looks like a totally different color. You've got all these reds or pinks in here. I think that's supposed to be a red. Very different. And in the writing, you've got crazy shading going on from this green color, or whatever that teal, blue, green color is, to this red from, I'm assuming that must be some kind of a sheen. And it's not really shiny on this paper though. It's just a different color. Very pretty. And then when you go to the Tomoe River, now you've got a completely different ink again. Now you've got definitely some sheen here. You can see it's shiny, and I hope the camera will pick up that shine. It's just super, super shiny. And you can see a little bit of the blue coming through, or that, like I said, that teal, blue, green coming through in some places. But I think honestly, you know, if you want the sheen and the shine, go with the Tomoe River. But if you want to see all the different colors coming out, it might be better to use this just on HP32. So I guess it just depends. Now, it might perform differently inside of a pen, I don't know. But that's really pretty. So let's take a look at the swatch and see how that looks. And here you can see the really pretty, like I said, teal shade of green blue and all that crazy sheen and the shading and the writing. It's very pretty. So this is a really nice color. If you like inks that sheen, this is a good one. It's very, very shiny and pretty. And if this video was helpful to you at all, or if you enjoyed it, don't forget to hit like and subscribe so you can see more. And thank you so much for watching. You have a great day.